Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install RivaTuner Statistics Server in your computer in a very simple way. What it does, it shows an on-screen FPS counter while gaming. So how you can simply download it, very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option, simply search for RivaTuner Statistics Server. Here it is. Click on that. Click on the first. Click on this source force one. Click on this. Click on download. Click on download. Click on the folder icon. Click on it 2 times to install. Click yes for the permission. Click OK. Next. Check. I accept the agreement of the license agreement. Next and install. And as you can see, the installation almost completed. Now you can simply see it's installing Microsoft DirectX XR, and now you can simply click on finish, and it needs select an app to open this PDF file. So I'm going to click on Microsoft Edge, and here I'm going to get all of the description, so I'm not going to go there. So what I need right now, I have to simply open the RivaTuner Statistics Server. Click yes for the permission. And it's saying RivaTuner Statistics Server is available for download. Do you want to open the download please now? Yes. And as you can see, it's rightly opened in our computer. So when you play the game, it will going to shows you the FPS. Don't worry. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install RivaTuner in a computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.